Chapter 3, Range and Cell Object. Range and cell object. You must not see this because I'm skipping some chapters and I will cover later on. So this is the what is range object? What is the range first? Just so range object is nothing. Range object is basically when you are using a cell, two cell, three cell, even two or more cell, then it is called a range. Range means one or more cell, right? Okay. So what will we will do with the range object? The range, we will select the range, then we will enter the value in the range. In Excel, how can you do it? If you want to select your whole column number A1, then you can just go to your mouse and click on A. The whole column will be selected. So next, we will do with the VBA. So let's open the VBA, close it. Let's again open the VBA. So here is the blank module for VBA. Okay, so I want to tell you some basics. VBA always start from subroutine. Okay, then two main things you have to remember when you are using VBA. First one is sub, then the macro name, then end sub. Okay, so we have already written the sub, then you have to assign your macro name. Macro name rules are simple. Suppose I'm giving my macro name as my range, open parentheses, close parentheses. See the rules. First rule is you cannot enter any space when you are using any macro name. So my macro name is wrong here. When you will press enter, then you will get an error. Okay, then what is the second rule? You cannot enter any symbol except underscore, underscore. This is the underscore. So now you enter. So now answer is working properly. Okay, then the third rule is you cannot start your macro name with the numbers. Now see the errors again. Okay, then the fourth one, just you can enter your number in the between the macro name, but you cannot start with the number. Okay, then the macro precautions. Let me reduce. Let me added some module over here. So this is the advantage of VBA autocorrect. If your code is right, then VBA what will do? Just press enter. VBA will auto capitalize your code. If your code is not auto capitalizing, then you must remember that you are writing the wrong code. Okay, so then the fifth basic, when you are using this code, which is you must oh, let me repeat. The fifth basic is when you are writing your code, you must use your indenting. Indenting is like tab, 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 so that you will not get confused when which code and which line of code you are writing. Suppose I'm writing some range object, I can like write like this: range a1, oops, a1 dot select. Now you can see that my range object is only between these line of code. This is classifying my code. Okay, so indenting you must use if you are a good programmer. Then the sixth one and the last one is code. Suppose you want to assign, you are writing a code and you don't want to read your whole code again and again and again, so you must use code to give a short note on your code like this. I'm giving this select range. Okay, so note code allow you to write your note on the code. It is now saying that this code is only for selecting the range. This is basically a tip for a good programmer. So